Are you searching for a fresh scalping strategy to boost your trading profits? You're in the right place. Welcome to the TradeGenius, where we bring you the latest and most effective trading strategies. Let's get started by adding our first indicator, the volatility stop or V stop, to your chart. This indicator is our signal generator, providing us with clear buy and sell signals. So now once it's added, just tweak some settings to make it work effectively. But don't rush into trades just yet. We have more tools to enhance this strategy. Now let's introduce our second indicator, the Squeeze Momentum Indicator version 2. Then go into its settings and make the changes you need, just like I did. This dynamic tool adds another layer of confirmation to our signals with a histogram that appears both above and below zero. To validate buy signals, the histogram should be above the zero level, and also to validate sell signals, the histogram should be below zero level. And to ensure we're always trading in the right direction, we'll bring in our third indicator, the double moving average. Then go into its settings and make the changes you need, just like I do. This indicator consists of two whole moving averages, the 100 period, which is the yellow line, and the 200 period, which is the white line. By keeping an eye on the relationship between these lines and the price action, we can easily identify the prevailing trend. Here's the key. When the yellow line is above the white line and the price remains above both whole moving averages, it signals an upward trend. Conversely, when the yellow line dips below the white line and the price stays below both lines, it's a sign of downward trend. This information will be crucial for validating our signals. Now, let's outline the rules for executing buy trade with this strategy. First, we'll need the volatility stop indicator to generate a buy signal. Then the yellow line should be above the white line. And after that, make sure the price is above the whole moving averages to confirm an upward trend. And finally, validate the signal using the squeeze momentum indicator version 2. So now you can open a trade. And of course, set the stop loss to the most recent swing low. Then set the risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 for exit. And on the flip side, for those sell trades, first you need the volatility stop indicator to provide a sell signal. Then the yellow line should be below the white line. And after that, make sure the price is below the whole moving averages to confirm an upward trend. And finally, validate the signal using the squeeze momentum indicator version 2. But that's not all. We'll also discuss risk management techniques to protect your capital. Setting the well-placed stop loss just above the recent swing high is essential. We'll also explore a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio to help you exit the trade and profit. But in the end, if you don't know which strategy can lead you to consistent profitability, you must definitely watch this video.